Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change receiver's name on Remitly. Keep watching the video till the end. To change receiver's name on Remitly, firstly go ahead and open your Remitly application. The home page of Remitly application will appear on the screen. Tap on recipient option at the bottom left corner of the page. On the next page, click on recipient name that you'd like to change. Edit your name and tap on save. This is how you can change your receiver's name on Remitly's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.